This content is for education purpose only and it should not be considered financial advice. All right, guys, welcome to Highly Selected CY. Right now, we are looking at USD CAD. We have been looking for this pair for quite a few weeks already. So this is the week analysis. We're going to analyze what we did during this week. Right now, as you can see, has double top, right? Double top is going on a down train. It hit the double top at that resistance level, which is great, right? So it's a good signal right there. That was immediately a sell position right there. It just gave it away. So we did enter into a position during the week, right? A 1.38733, and we exit out around this area, 1.38227. So as you can see right here, right, as said in the last video, if it breaks 100, it's gonna continue to going up. So it did so. Go to 161 to 178, which is a reversal key. That's a key reversal, and especially right there on the resistant area. So that gives everything away. Stop hunt into the top and then drop. So we got into a trade right here. We got into another trade around the area of 1.38266, and we exit out 1.37274. So like around this area, that's when we exit out. They hit the take profit and beyond. All right, so right here you can see. So we're waiting right now. 161 went all the way down. Right, as we spoke in the last video, this is what we're looking for. Right here is a total reversal. So when it gets to this part right here, that's when it's gonna be a total reversal right here. It would be like level one, then it comes to level two. It's gonna coming back up and then it's gonna drop this. This is what we're waiting for. But meanwhile, you still can take profit out of this pair. So right now, as you can see, let's see, 161. Right here, 178. 178. Monday come, we all be looking at it continue to go down to 100 or 127, which it would be a miracle. It would be great for us to get in. And the other one, two possibility, either the market reverse right here, reverse, and if it does reverse at that point at 78%, this is most likely what we're going to be looking for. 78, it will go all the way up here to 78 as well. Let's see. Let's jump into 4 hour real quick. See what's going on. I think that was the trade that we had this morning. And this is the trade that we had. Let's remove that. Alright, we're back to the bigger picture. Right here. So if it makes the reversal, you'll be looking the market going this way. All the way up to 161, 178. If it breaks 100, it's going to continue to 127, 141, 161, 178. Making a stop hunt right here in the 200 and then reversal completely to go on a downtrend. Or the case, if it does what we're expecting to do, because we're waiting for this part right here to hit this, and then we buy because the market is going in an uptrend. If you look at the bigger picture, always look at the bigger picture. This is what the market is doing. This is what the market is doing. It creating this level, right? So it could definitely have the potential. Strong bearish candle, strong bearish candle. That means the market will continue to go down. Remove this. So the market will continue to go down. That's what we call level one. Then it comes to the level two and level three, so far, so forth. Right here, you can see this doesn't lie. 50%. Right here, 50, 61%. Then return to going down again. So this is what we expected. Right here's the push. It's a 78. And we're on a weekly trend. Weekly. Not a daily, a weekly. So we're looking at bigger picture. 78, 100. This, if it breaks 100, it will continue to go down, right? It could definitely touch 100, close above 100, not under a 127 in this case. If it closes above 100, right, then it's gonna do the reversal and pretty much creating the alien wave. If it breaks, this is gonna continue right here to 127, 141, 161, 178. One of this, right, and hitting this stop right here with the stop hunt all the way down to this support. Break this support, it could continue to this support. If it not, if it stop right here, it had the potential to reverse. In the weekly chart, let's go back to the daily chart so we'll break it down a little bit better. Break it down from here to here. Okay, the market got the potential to look like this. Right. Go to 161, 178, right? If it doesn't break 100, 178, let's say it goes 161, 178, 161, right? Potential to go to 178. This is what you gotta be looking for. Stop hunts. When you start creating those stop hunts after the next candle close, in case like this one right here. If this candle close would have closed down, obviously it would have continued going in the downtrend. So right here, 161. This is what we do if that's the case right there, the 161. And this is the trick right here. 178. If it breaks this, this 127, 141, 161, 178. Like I said, 178. Let's say it's just 127. Remember right here, you see there's a type of resistance right here. Well, kind of support right here. It could break that little, that it's not a strong resistance. That wouldn't be a strong support, right? But it could break as it could just like that one. Stop hunt and then back up. Remember, look at the market and look at the bigger picture. Always look at the bigger picture. Right here, went up. And right here, it's 178. I could continue right here. Break this, definitely 50. If it doesn't break 50, you know that is going in a downtrend to go to this level. So if it breaks, let's say it doesn't break 50 and has some stop hunts right there in that area. Then that's what we're looking for. 171, 141, 161, 170 around this area. Perfect. That worked for us. If it doesn't break it, it doesn't continue. Just waiting for the stop hunt in this area, in the support area, and out. If we stay in and continue down, it will definitely just break it together. Okay, so this area. If that's not the case, multiple ways to see it. This is not, you're not guessing in the market, but what you're doing is an educated guess, right? You're not gambling the market, you're doing an educated guess. It's different, right? Let's set the market, decide to stop right there, right? If it's continue, obviously we know it's gonna continue. If it continue, this is what will happen. Let's say if it continues, right? This is what we're going. This is what it will look like right here. 127, and then the spike up, right? That would be breaking that, which is already did. It broke that support right there, now becoming a new resistance. So if it break that, it already broke the support. If it's continue, so they had the probably the high chance just to hit 127. Looking at the bigger picture, looking always at the bigger picture, and we know what would have done, right? Right here, go 50, breaking this, and then 60, 61, 78, and then it start creating high lows, high lows, high lows. 127, 141, 161, expecting that to hit that. So from here to here, just being patient and just going with the trend, trending with the trend. This is what you'll be looking at yourself right here. 500 pips. And of course, that's not in a day. You're talking about if a daily chart, as we are right now, a week or 2 weeks, just collecting and keeping adding more position into your trade. So from here to here, my trade, what I took, right? One of my trades was from here to here. I always usually collect. That was like 33 pips. The other one took to trade this week. The other one was 13826. 138. This is a 2-5. Not a big deal. And my taking profit was a 13727. 137, 2729 right there. 95 pips. Almost 100 pips, right? Almost 100 pips just in that trade alone. I show you. I got some screenshot that I will share with you guys, so you guys have a better understanding. And we had the daily chart. See the bigger picture. You jump in a 4-hour chart. So you see what's really going on right here. Helps us a lot, which is the TDI, right? The TDI, really important. As you can see right here, the cross of the red, that means the market's gonna go down. Cross that green line, the red cross the green line, is following. It's a sharp following the water, right? It's following the blood. Blood, sharp, follow the blood. Sharp fin, right here. This is a sharp, follow the blood, right? There's no diversion right here because it's already continued. As you can see right here. The cross, just following the blood, following the blood. Cross right here, up a little bit, cross back down. Right here, not much. Then cross right on it. And it continue. TDI, always look at your TDI. Time of the day. That's pretty much the time of the day. One is different section. So that depends. London, New York section is more powerful. It has more volume. Remember, London section start from 3 o'clock, right? 3:30, and end up around 12 o'clock noon. New York section start around 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9:30. You have the little gap right there, and end up around 5 o'clock. That's when the market close. All right, guys, this is it for highly selected. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.